Good morning. Today on Little Kitchen Big Food, we're going to clean the kitchen because we destroyed it last night. A little bit of behind the scenes stuff of what we do in the kitchen to get ready to shoot in the kitchen. You ready? Let's go. That's what it takes to do Little Kitchen Big Food in the kitchen. So there you have it. Clean kitchen. Want to see more cool videos? Click on, is it there? Right there. Click on that button. Or, subscribe to my channel. Just click where my face is. Alright? Just click. Alright. See you guys next time.